everyone, it's Rita here, and thanks for coming by my channel. Today is the drawing for the winner of the Happy Mail journal. I wouldn't call it a junk journal because everything here was given to me by subscribers that have been supporting me as a journal maker. So if you haven't seen it before, and I might have flipped through this, but I'm not positive. So we ended up using paper napkins here, and these are little charms are from Alicia. This is from Alicia. This is from Diane. The cover that started the whole thing is from Nonstop Mom. And this is my seam binding, though, and my eyelet. So inside, we're just going to go through this quickly. And I don't know, maybe I won't mention everybody that's in here because it would take a long time. But you know who you are when you see these things show up. Here's a little pocket and a journal card or tag inside of that. And that just sits in there. This was given to me from Laura. This was Edith Holden design. And then here's just a place to journal. This is from a book that I got from Nonstop Mom. And this is a little card, and I just put a paper, and it didn't glue all the way down, so it's kind of bubbly, but I tried to get it out, and I can't. So it's okay. I'm sure you can write on the bubbles. This is wrapping paper that was given to me, and I used it for a journal page. And school paper was given to me. This magazine was given to me, and I folded it up, and everything is in with elastic. I'm sorry, I didn't say that. I put elastic band there for the signature. So you can take all of this out, and that way if you want to use it for something else, you can, or whatever you want to do. Here's a little fold down envelope. Here's a journal card here. And this is from Mary, made a journal. It was a children's book, but written in, I think it's either, I don't know if it was German or Dutch or something. This is from Tanya at Tatty Treasures. She sent me this guest check, which is different than we get here. Some more of that school paper. This is a magazine that my friend Jan gave me. And then these are, on the back here, I put this little tag here, and then these little flowers here are just setting inside. So you could use these with something in something else if you'd like. This was a card given to me. This is little pocket there, and these were sent by Tanya at Tatty Treasures. And this is from Alicia. This is our little Susie girl. This is from Laura, I'm sorry, belly band. And then here is a little, it's going to be a card that I'll write in, is what I'm trying to say. So, or you could put your own card. Maybe I'll just leave it in there like that. It's kind of cute. It just kind of matched everything. Journaling space here, old school paper, old ledger. Yeah, this one we worked on together. This was a Trash It Tuesday macaroni cover, I think, or something. Anyway, the cardboard, and we just cut a hole in the middle of that, and they put these little flowers on there that were from someone had given me a card. It was like this one, and I punched these out of a card. That's how I got all these different colors, and I think it turned out really neat. So if you want to do something, here's one that was left over. This is a pocket here, and then there's money in here, German money. that Patty gave me. Was from her father, I believe, from the 40s or something like that. And then this is a writing board that I'm putting in here. And this is the center page of the journal. And we have a little pocket in here. And I put a little bird up there. And then 2 of the cards here. And then we have this little pocket. I don't think I put anything in it. I'm pretty sure I didn't. Here I have a little tag and another little playing card from a game, and the same thing up here. And these little girls, I thought they were cute, and these little pockets. And then more journaling space, a little bit more journaling. This was from Laura. She, it's like a decal, and it went on kind of cool. I like it because it sort of gives a crackle look, so it looks aged. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool there. Here I have a a belly band, and here I just received this envelope, or this card from Mary for the poppies, but it looks so nice in here. I just went ahead and put it in here. And then this is the tree I saved, which I guess everybody was pretty happy about. Journaling. And then we've got these little birds, and I just put some washi tape along the edge to give it a little more stability. And writing, and then this is the other part of that book page, and I just put a little card in there. A little card. You could write in between the lines here, I think. I would. Sometimes I write in between the lines of a book page. And this one was a little pocket here with a little paint chips that I folded, and you can journal on the inside of those. This is the other side of that page. More school paper. The other side of the, what do you call it, paper, wrapping paper. And then this is a little card that went in there, which is really cute, this card. I'm not sure where I got that, though. I can't remember. This was a little notebook that we made. And this is the other side of that page. And this is the back of that. This is Edith Holden, and you can journal on here. And then in here, I have just this little card I put down, and you can actually journal there. And I put my little stamp. And then this was a little page you can just color on. So, and then up here it says, enjoy the journey. And this was given to me by a friend in California, and this was given to me by Mary, the little, what do you call those things? Clips. I mean, what are they? I can't think of it now. I hate it when it just goes blank. You can't think of it. Okay. So, I hope you guys like this, and it was fun to make, and I appreciate everyone who has sent me all kinds of kindness through the mail. That's really what it is it's happy mail for me, but it's kindness mail from you guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All right, let's see who is the winner. Now this time I only took the names from the, actually there was 5 videos this month. So I've got all the names, and each time you got put in the, let me see if I can put this right. You got into the drawing each time that you commented in that, those journals. Oh, I don't want that. I was looking at something. All right, here it is, pick star. And up here, I'm going to pick. This goes so fast. I hate it. I wish it'd like give me more time to look. All right. Grandma rocks for Jesus. Okay. That is so funny. She commented on the very last video, I think, that I did. So Grandma rocks for Jesus. If you see this, then send me an email so I can get your address. And if I don't hear from you by next Friday, we'll just do another draw, okay? Because I'm not even sure that you will, I'm not sure that you subscribed or anything, so I can't look and see if you would be back or not, but I hope you are. Okay, so thank you so much for participating, and we're done. So, thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this whole month. The month of July, I'll have something. I'm not sure what. Last year I had Junk Mail July. So I don't know. I might just do something with junk mail. But then again, I don't know. Maybe I'll just do ephemera with junk mail. That way you can put it where you want or something like that. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.